Tom, good afternoon. You look unusually bright today. Did something good happen, or did you finally sleep more than 5 hours?
Oh, definitely not the second one. Sleep and I are still not on speaking terms, but I am feeling good today. I've been thinking a lot about the future.
The future? Wow, that sounds deep already. Before we dive into that, how have you been? Everything going smoothly?
Mostly yes. A bit busy, a bit stressed, but hopeful. And you? You look like someone who's been daydreaming about something big.
Guilty. I've been thinking about my plans too. Maybe that's why today is the perfect day to talk about the future.
Then let's do it. The future is waiting for us.
So, Tom, when you think of the future, what's the first thing that comes to your mind?
Possibilities. Endless possibilities. And maybe the fear of choosing the wrong one.
That's relatable. The future feels exciting and scary at the same time.
Exactly. It's like standing in front of a buffet with too many choices.
And you're afraid you'll pick the salad instead of the fried chicken.
Exactly. The eternal regret.
For me, when I think about the future, I think about growth, like becoming a better version of myself.
That sounds very merry. Always evolving, always dreaming. What kind of growth do you imagine?
Confidence, stability, and maybe learning how not to lose my keys every morning.
Ah, yes, the daily "Where are my keys" adventure.
One day I'll win that battle.
What do you think your life will look like 5 years from now?
I picture myself traveling more, learning new things, maybe speaking another language.
Which language? Please don't say dolphin.
Tom, I said future, not Disney movie.
Just checking.
What about you? 5 years from now, what's Tom doing?
Hopefully being calmer, more organized, and maybe living in a place with a nice view.
A lake view? Because that fits your personality so well.
Yes, something peaceful, somewhere I can think clearly.
Tom and his peaceful future. I can already picture it.
Do you ever think about future technology? Like what the world will be like?
All the time. I imagine robots doing chores while I relax with coffee.
So you want a robot assistant?
Absolutely. I'd name it something dramatic, like Sir Sparkleton.
That poor robot.
What future invention do you wish existed right now?
Teleportation. I'd love to travel without airports.
Yes, airports are stress factories with snacks.
And expensive snacks.
Exactly.
Do you think people in the future will work less and relax more?
I hope so. Humans deserve more naps.
You and your eternal nap campaign.
It's a noble mission. Do you imagine having a family or kids in the future?
Maybe, I'm not sure yet, but I like the idea of a quiet home full of warmth.
That sounds sweet. I can imagine you being a calm, gentle parent.
And you?
I think I'd be the fun, chaotic kind.
I'm not surprised. Do you plan to stay in the same city in the future?
Not necessarily. I want to live near the ocean someday.
Of course, the ocean again.
Hey, it's my destiny. Do you think our careers will change in the future?
Probably. Life keeps pushing us into new directions.
That's true. I see myself doing something creative.
I see you doing something meaningful.
Oh, Tom, that's kind.
Do you think people will be happier in the future?
If they learn to slow down and appreciate life, then yes.
You mean like me at my lake?
Exactly. What future habit do you want to start now?
Waking up earlier, but I've been saying that since forever.
Same, but the bed is too persuasive.
It really is. Do you ever feel afraid of the future?
Yes, sometimes, but I also feel excited.
Same here. Fear and excitement often come together.
They're like twins. What's one dream you want to accomplish in the future?
Writing a book, even if it's just for myself.
That's a beautiful dream. I'd read your book.
And you?
Opening a small cafe near the beach.
That suits you perfectly. Do you think we'll still be friends in the future?
Of course. Why wouldn't we be?
Just checking.
Tom, you're stuck with me.
I guess I'll accept my fate.
Tom, you know what I find funny about thinking of the future? We imagine everything going perfectly, but life usually surprises us.
That's so true. The future rarely follows our script. It's like the universe takes our plan, smiles politely, and then does whatever it wants.
Exactly. And sometimes it turns out better than we expected.
Have you ever had a moment where the future surprised you in a good way?
Yes, I once expected a situation to go terribly, but it turned out to be one of the best experiences of my life.
I love when that happens. It's like life saying, relax, I got this.
Do you believe in planning every detail of the future?
Not really. I like planning, but I also know things will change. What about you?
I plan emotionally, not logically. I imagine the feeling, not the details.
That sounds very you. If you could guarantee one thing in your future, what would it be?
Peace. Just a life that feels gentle and meaningful. You?
Stability, and maybe a small home library.
Of course. Books and peace, the Tom combination. Do you think we'll still have the same dreams in 10 years?
Some yes, some no. Dreams grow with us, they stretch.
I like that idea. Dreams stretching like elastic.
Just hopefully not snapping. If the future version of you could talk to you right now, what do you think she'd say?
Probably stop worrying so much. You're doing fine. And yours?
He'd probably say, stop overthinking and go take a nap.
Your future self is very kind. Do you imagine yourself traveling more in the future?
Definitely. I want to see quiet places around the world. Mountains, lakes, forests.
And I want to see noise, color, and culture. Cities, beaches, festivals.
We really are opposites. What's your biggest dream for your future?
To live a life that feels full. Full of moments, full of meaning, full of laughter.
That suits you perfectly. You're a full life person.
And you're a peaceful life person. Do you want to learn anything new for your future?
Yes, I want to learn patience. Real patience, not pretending.
Ouch, I felt that. I need that too.
Patience is like a rare superpower. Do you think you'll be more confident in the future?
I hope so. Confidence grows slowly, but it grows.
I already see you becoming stronger each year.
Aw, Tom, don't make me cry about the future. Do you imagine your future self loving more or fearing less?
Fearing less, hopefully, and loving with more clarity.
I think you will. You're naturally gentle.
And you're naturally brave. Do you think the future is more shaped by fate or by choice?
Both. Choice builds the road, fate decides the weather.
That's a beautiful way to put it.
Thank you. I have moments. What do you want your future home to feel like?
Warm, simple, quiet, and full of soft light.
My future home will probably have plants everywhere and maybe a beach view.
Your home will look alive. Mine will look asleep. Do you ever think about your future friendships?
Yes, I hope I'll keep the people who matter.
I think the future keeps the right people and removes the wrong ones.
That's comforting. What future fear do you want to overcome?
Fear of failing. And you?
Fear of disappointing people. It's exhausting.
In the future, you'll disappoint fewer people and impress more. Do you think we'll ever regret something about our future decisions?
Maybe, but regret is part of growth.
True. And future mistakes are just lessons waiting to happen.
Exactly. Do you ever imagine your future perfect day?
Yes. Quiet morning, warm sunlight, good coffee, and peace.
Mine is loud waves, bright sky, and adventure.
Your perfect day sounds like my chaos day. Do you think our dreams say something about who we truly are?
Absolutely. Dreams reveal the heart,
Then your heart is full of waves.
and yours is full of calm water. What do you hope your future self remembers from today?
That hope is stronger than fear. And you?
That the future is worth believing in.
Beautifully said.
You know, Tom, thinking about the future of food always makes me smile. I imagine tiny meals that explode into big meals. like one small cube turning into a full dinner.
That sounds dangerous, but awesome. Imagine pressing the wrong button and the cube becomes a huge pizza. Your whole kitchen gone.
My future kitchen will have explosion-proof moat then, and definitely a robot chef, because I burn water sometimes.
You burn water. Mary, that's a talent, not a mistake. Future cooking awards are waiting for you.
Thank you. I'll accept my trophy with pride. In the future, I want to cook without panic. No more screaming when oil jumps.
Robots will save you. A robot with a shield, dedicated to protecting you from oil.
Speaking of robots, do you think we'll all have robot friends? Like emotional support robots, ones that tell jokes when we're sad.
I'd buy that. A robot that reminds me I'm awesome. Maybe even laughs at my terrible jokes.
Your jokes aren't terrible. Okay, maybe a little terrible, but future robots will love them.
Finally, someone who understands me. Even if it's a robot, I'll take what I can get.
Future transportation is another exciting thing. I want flying bikes, quiet ones, no loud engines.
Flying bikes sound cool. I want teleportation though. Boom, home instantly.
I'd teleport to beaches every morning, drink juice, teleport back, no traffic, no stress.
I'd teleport to your house and steal your snacks, then blame the robot chef. Perfect crime.
My robot chef will fight back. He'll chase you with a frying pan. Better run fast.
I'm already stressed just imagining it. Your future sounds scary sometimes, but fun somehow.
That's the point. The future must be fun, a mix of chaos and beauty.
Speaking of beauty, what about future nature? Do you think we'll have sky gardens? Floating forests, maybe?
Floating forests. Wow. I'm picturing giant trees in the sky, birds flying between clouds and branches.
I'd live there. Imagine waking up above the clouds, drinking coffee in the sky.
That sounds peaceful. Maybe we'll have clean energy everywhere. No pollution, no smoke.
That's my dream too. A future that feels safe. A world that breathes again.
Technology and nature together. That's the future I want, balanced and bright.
Same here, Mary. A future where people are kinder, where we take care of each other.
And laugh more and stress less. Life will feel lighter.
Speaking of laughter, we've laughed a lot today. Feels like future already.
True. Talking about the future makes me hopeful. I love imagining possibilities.
Me too. It makes me feel alive and excited for tomorrow.
Tom, should we wrap up our talk? I think listeners are smiling now. We gave them a fun trip to the future.
Yes, let's bring it to a nice close. A soft landing from the clouds. A warm goodbye.
So everyone, thank you for joining us today. We hope our little journey into the future made you dream a bit and laugh with us along the way.
The future is unknown, but it's beautiful when imagined together. Keep dreaming, keep hoping, and keep believing in better days.
Take care of yourselves, take care of your future, and keep your heart open.
Thank you for listening. We appreciate every moment with you. Until next time.
Don't forget to subscribe Podcast English Talk for more episodes, sending love and light to your future. See you in the next episode.
Bye, friends. Stay happy and keep looking forward.